Good morning, students. We will continue the same chapter goodwill from 12 accountancy. Let's come to another method. Earlier I have told you how to find out goodwill under average profit method. Now let's see how to find out goodwill under super profit method. Come to question number 8 from your exercise. See the question. Last 4 years profits are given and then it is told capital investment throughout the year in the firms is rupees 3 lakhs and normal rate of return is 15%. Then what will be the value of goodwill under 3 years purchase of average super profit? So see the formula first. The formula is value of goodwill equals to super profit into number of years purchase. This number of years purchase will always be given in the question. You have to find out the value of super profit. Super profit will be multiplied by the number of years purchase. So how to find out super profit? To find out super profit, first you need to find out average profit. Last 4 years profits are given. So if you add this 4 years profit and divide it by 4, you will get the average profit. So in this way, you just add the 4 years profit, it will come 2,42,000 and divided by 4. So your average profit will be 60,500. Once you get the average profit, then only you can find out super profit. Super profit equals to average profit minus normal profit. Okay. So put the value average profit 60,500. Normal profit formula is capital invested in the business into normal rate of return. Capital invested in the business is given in the question 3 lakhs and normal rate of return 15%. So your normal profit will be 45,000. If you deduct the normal profit from average profit, you will get super profit, that is 15,500. So super profit you got 15,500. Now find out the goodwill. So goodwill equals to super profit into number of years purchase. Number of years given in the question 3 years. So value of goodwill will be 46,500. In this way you can find out the value of goodwill under super profit method. So two methods you saw. First one was average profit method. This is super profit method. Next come to another part. It is called capitalization method. Okay, another question. This question is given from the exercise number 14 in your book. See the question. It says average profit of a firm is rupees 48,000. The total assets rupees 8 lakhs and liabilities 5 lakhs. Average rate of return in this type of business is 12%. Then what will be the value of goodwill under capitalization method? Capitalization of super profit. Average profit. Capitalization of average profit. So total 4 methods are there in our syllabus. First one was average profit, that you have done, simple average and weighted average. Second one was super profit method, that now I told, super profit method. Third one is capitalization of average profit. This is called capitalization of average profit method. See how to find out the goodwill. First you check the formula. Under this method, formula means goodwill equals to capitalized value of average profit. Okay, capitalized value of average profit minus net assets. Capitalized value of average profits minus net assets. How to find out capitalized value of net assets? Capitalized value of average profits. First you have to find out the first part. See the first part, capitalized value of average profits. Formula is average profits into 100 by normal rate of return. Average profits you got 48,000 is given in the question into 100 by normal rate of return is given 12 in the question. So first part you got capitalized value of average profit. Average profit into 100 by normal rate of return minus net assets. Net assets means total assets minus liabilities. So 8 lakhs minus 5 lakhs, that is 3 lakhs. Now come to the solution. So average profit 48,000 into 100 by 12. If you calculate it, it will be 4 lakhs minus 3 lakhs. So ultimately value of goodwill you got rupees 1 lakh. In this way goodwill can be found out under the capitalization method.